are pleased to show you the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power door locks, CD player, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.